At Miami Stem Cell, we believe aging isn't something to hide. It's a chance to refresh, restore, and renew. Our anti-aging treatments are designed to awaken your skin's natural ability to heal itself, working from deep within to bring back a smoother, brighter, and more youthful look. Through advanced microneedling techniques combined with regenerative components like stem cells and exosomes, we help stimulate collagen production, refine texture, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. These elements work on a cellular level to support healthy skin renewal and lasting radiance. There are no harsh chemicals or invasive procedures, just real, natural results guided by science and care. Most clients return to normal activity the same day, with visible improvements continuing to develop over time. At Miami Stem Cell, our goal is simple: to help your skin look as vibrant and alive as you feel. Discover the future of skin rejuvenation. Schedule your free consultation today and begin your journey toward true renewal.